number 70 here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Wood Birthday Thomas. There's Thomas in the birthday cake. This was released in 2020. They released it on 75th anniversary of Thomas and Friends since 1945. So here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the top, and the back. You see, there's a button on the cake. If you push the button, it plays music. Listen. Pretty nice, you know. So it's Unboxed Birthday Thomas. Here's instructions. Here's the birthday cake. Here's Thomas. Hey, let's check instructions. See? Let's take a look at Birthday Thomas. So, here's the front, side, the other side, the back, the top, the bottom. It says Birthday Thomas. Let's take a look at the birthday cake. Here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom. It says Cake Cargo Car, and the back. Let's hear the music again. Pretty nice, you know. Let's hear that again. Nice. Thomas wants well. Well guys, that's it with an unboxing of Wood Birthday Thomas. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. So Thomas, happy 75th anniversary.